Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, sad time. I need to give up on this PS5. It's been 8 weeks or something. And I'd like to tell you a bit story, turn it on and show you what's happening. Okay? So customer said, replace me HDMI port. I did it. No problem. As always, like, what's the problem? Yes? But I said to the customer that if that's the case, no problem, I can help, that's fine. But there might be other issues as well, yes? So I did check and there were trace damage, which I fixed. Not a problem again, yes, trace damage, okay, fine. But still no picture. And one reading was odd, so on the HDMI port. I had auto detect when I was, like inserting the cable. I could see voltage popping out on the pin, so it's fine. But there was no picture, so I said to the customer, look, I did what you've asked, but it's not working. If you want, we can order HDMI encoder. We did. I've replaced it. Yes, 48 quid on eBay. Came, I've replaced it. Now I had picture only on the time when the power cable is off suddenly and PS5 need to repair the storage. That's only time when the PS is working in the lower resolution. Then when it's rebooting, after that, no picture, black screen. So I said, okay, maybe, just maybe, either this HDMI encoder doesn't work the way it should, or maybe I soldered this port badly. So I did that port. Still nothing and still the same readings. So I said, okay, well, I let customer know, it's dragging among the time, of course, yes. So I've ordered second HDMI encoder from different supplier this time, and still the same. So I know I did everything what I could in my own power to make sure that it's not me, yes. What options have left now for me is that either those HDMI encoders are just, I'm unlucky, customer is unlucky, they are faulty, or there is some internal issue. As we know, inside the main board there are layers, okay, and there can be over 10 layers inside the main board. So one of the layers, or maybe more than one, doesn't connect properly and the signal can't go through. I've checked data lines and all the voltages are present. So if the voltages are present, I would say that the signal goes through. So it's maybe not the data lines. I didn't check with an oscilloscope. I did check only with a meter, but I know it wouldn't change anything, yes? So I did check 3.3 volts or 3 volts on the HDMI port, it's present as well. 5 volts is present as well. Well, depends if the cable is connected or not, I'm talking, yes? But when you connect cable, everything is showing up, and actually it wouldn't be, yes, it wouldn't be if the initial picture wouldn't show. But because the initial picture is showing, I'm out of options, like I didn't design it, I don't have schematics, I don't know, let's say, what are the parameters. Would I need some encoder for my oscilloscope to get the picture? It's like, it's too modern still for us, so we don't have any data sheets. We can only have data sheets for the chips, and not all of the chips even, yes, for the ICs. So I don't know here what else I could do. So what else you would do, the question is, because I'm out of options. I did try my best to help this customer, and I'm just wasting more and more time at this moment. Yes, I've got no idea how can I help this situation. The light is white. Yes, the light is white, so that means the picture is there. But that's it. You know, let's switch to the to this. Let's turn on. Okay, I thought the power is. Oh, the power lead is disconnected. The extension lead. Now. Oh, okay. Now it's back, so we can see here that the light is on. Yes, blue light is on. As you see, I'll show you when it will be white as well, but you see nothing on the screen. HDMI is connected. Now I've got a white light. Okay, so you see it's a white light, but still nothing on the screen. I'll disconnect the HDMI. Okay, it's disconnected. I'll show you as well, and it's disconnected. Yes, and we see nothing, and I will connect it now back. So let me switch to this. And it's nothing. Okay, now it's restarting. Okay, and you see it then just blinking every some seconds, and you can see picture behind it. Yes, you can see, but you know it's just not connecting. So I would say, yes, I would say this is an issue, and I'm moving even this port or not moving, that doesn't do anything. But that's all there is. Yes, and behind it it's a picture, so that is a problem. Now even if I'm moving this port, this doesn't change anything, and you see it's showing that connect PlayStation controller. Yes, if you would look carefully or pause on that, you would see that you can really see it. Yes, but that's it, guys. It's working, it has a white light, but the signal doesn't come through properly. And I would say that's internal mainboard fault in between layers. That's what I would say. Am I wrong? I've tested so many times that I'm quite certain about it. What to do to fix it? Well, you know, it's run wires in the other way. Maybe that's the solution. Now on the PC here in the capture card, I don't know if that will show picture, but on my tally is showing. So when I'm doing the same procedure here, I don't see picture, but when I'm taking it to the 4K 60 Hz TV, at this stage when I pulled out the power cord, this is showing picture here on this initial setup. So that's why I knew I thought that my capturing card is wrong or something, but actually no, it just not catching the signal the same way as TV is catching. Oh, you see, and now it's nothing, whereas the light is white. Yes, and there is nothing, and then we'll go to blue. We'll restart the procedure, but on the tally you could see now it's blue. Now on the tally on that time is a picture, and that's why I know about, that's why I knew I did everything right, and I can't do anything better. Either the HDMI encoder is faulty, yes, so I was unlucky, and two of them, but I can't be buying them, you know, all the time. Yes, it's £100 overspent on this game console already, and the customer is waiting 8 weeks. So yeah, time to give up. If customer wants, customer either can sell it as a faulty or can try to find someone else, but with this, yes, that person has to be really advanced in what they are doing, because they will be in the big problem to fix it. So I know what I did, and I know I can't do better than what I did. Yes, I can't. I literally can't do better than I did. So in that case, what else I could do? HDMI port replaced, trace damage repaired, everything has readings apart from one pin. I can't get one pin to the proper reading. and I've replaced chip twice and it doesn't change. So for me, yes, for me, it's a high probability that it's not a chip now, because it were two different batches. And I took all the angles of the main board, you know, to see if the chip is connecting right. And I was correcting this chip always when I've seen any abnormalities. So this is a small chip, has many pins. Yes, you can really go wrong with it, so you need to be certain what you're doing. And if I would connect it wrongly, I wouldn't have that initial picture. But because I've got that initial picture, I know the connection is right. So either the chip is bad, and plus it's not the first time I'm doing this chip, you know, I've done it like a number of times. But I would say it's internal fault of the main board. That's most likely, yes. And to be true, fingers crossed. If I'm wrong, yes, if I'm wrong, I'm wishing this customer best of luck. And fingers crossed I'm wrong and I've done something which I'm not aware of. And because of that, you know, I'm just human. I can make mistakes as well. But to the best of my knowledge, to the best of my time, I spent several times more than I would spend on fixing PS5, and that reached my end line. Literally, that reached my end line. Customer is now a bit anxious about it, and I totally get it. I'm fed up with having number of attempts and each time only wasting more time, wasting more money, so time to give up. If anybody has any idea what I could do maybe to prevent such situation or to make it better, or how to diagnose it better, well, leave them down in the comments below. For real, that will be a good lesson for me, yes, if that's the case. But that's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I've got two, not one, I've got two PS5s with different faults, which I can't fix. That's one of the faults. So yeah, I've watched so many videos about PS5 repairs, and those faults are never seen on YouTube anywhere, nor people know anything about it when I'm talking in the forums, groups, discords, etc. Yes, so I can't get any help from people because they are saying if I'll solve it, let them know, because they would like to know it as well. So I can't do anything else. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, and if possible, leave me some like button on this video. That was a really bad experience, but it's learning experience for me. It's not a bad experience. I don't blame this PS5. I blame that I don't have more time to do proper research, to buy second known good PS5. Yes, remove that HDMI encoder, place it here, and then make test this way. Yes, plus maybe try oscilloscope on the good PS5 and then compare it with this one. Yes, but that involves a lot of time, money and effort. Yes, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.